Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning exactly how to log into your Bybit account using the mobile app. Whether you are a beginner or just switching devices, this step-by-step guide will make it quick and easy to access your account securely. First of all, download and install Bybit application on your smartphone via Google Play Store or your App Store, and once installed, tap open the application. Once you end up in this home page of Bybit, click on the sign up/login button at the top, and then, if you have an existing account, make sure you type in your credentials correct in the login boxes. You can input your registered email address or phone number in the first text box. On the next field, type down your password carefully. If you don't remember the password, tap the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. Once you are done, click on Login Now. You may need to complete these puzzles over here. After you do that, you have successfully been logged in to your Bybit account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, enter the code from your authentication app or SMS and you'll be logged in. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Bybit account on mobile. Always make sure to keep your credentials safe and enable two-factor authentication for added security. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.